Did you have a chance to see the video? Okay. Do you have a complaint about the video? Okay. Now, I want to show a little bit of this video. Can you tell me this didn't bring a smile to your face when you were watching all these memories? Of course it did. What was the lady's name? My grandmother. Your grandmother's mom. Is that you? Yes. Can't touch it? Is that you? Stop, I'm not going to talk right now.